This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the broken shaft now. Use a shaft extractor or gentle pliers and steady pressure to avoid damaging the barrel. Once removed, clean the barrel threads with rubbing alcohol, and a cloth so glue or grit won't prevent a tight fit. Take note of the thread type and condition, because a mismatched or stripped thread is why shafts fail. If the barrel threads look rounded, pause and plan a repair rather than forcing a new shaft in. This protects the dart and saves time. Now fit the replacement shaft by hand so you feel the threads engage. This tells you whether the match is correct and why the dart will balance. Once it threads smoothly, add one small drop of removable thread locker to prevent loosening during play, because vibrations cause most shaft failures. Screw the shaft in until finger tight, then give a slight quarter turn. Do not use pliers to finish. This preserves thread integrity and ensures the shaft sits straight, which directly affects flight stability. Finish by test throwing a handful of darts to confirm balance and consistent grouping. You should notice whether the dart flies true right away. If you see wobble, stop. Remove the shaft and reseat it, check for cracked flights, or add a thin wrap of thread tape to improve fit, because a small gap often causes play. Make sure to carry a spare shaft and basic tools so you can repeat this quick fix at the board and stay playing without long interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.